Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss all about the introduction of the generative AI in the pharmacovigilance. Basically, I am telling here the difference between the artificial intelligence, then generative AI, then how the AI is evolved, and the next one, the application of the generative AI in the pharmacovigilance. So basically, generative AI is a new form of artificial intelligence. So basically it is nothing but the content should be created as per your requirement. It should be in the text, it should be in the images, it should be video, or it should be music. Okay, so it is a new tool that convert the content in the form of text, image, video, okay, and music. But at the same time, artificial intelligence is a different part. It is again, like as I say, generative AI is a small part of the artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a field of computer science, creates system that mimic human intelligence. So artificial intelligence used in all systems, all department basically, but generative AI is used whenever there is a requirement of the creativity or the special content, like in the text you needed, images you needed, videos you needed, then only generative AI will be used. Okay, so now if we are talking about the history behind the artificial intelligence, so in John McCarthy created the term artificial intelligence to the world. So after that, they created the ELISA. ELISA is nothing but a tool which works on the natural language processing. So what do you mean by natural language processing? It is nothing but as I am telling you something and you are understood and then you analyze, right? Same way the machine understood your language. You are talking in any different language, understood and then produce the data accordingly. So like let us say there are different steps. Like the first is speech recognition command you have to give to the machine. Then next natural language understanding, natural language generation, and it is through output is being produced. So it is the natural language processing. Then the next, the evolution of the machine learning is there. Machine learning is working on the data. So it is a data driven tool. So where you are putting the each data, all the data, and accordingly you can give the command. So like let us say you are sharing one research paper to the AI, and you are asking that to summarize this, or you can make it short. So the machine will analyze everything and then produce it in short form. So this is nothing but a machine learning. Then the next one, deep learning is introduced. Deep learning is the new part of the natural language processing, where it thinks like a human brain. Okay, it's a neurons are connected basically, and it thinks like. So it is the next step of the natural language processing. And then introduction of the open AI. OpenAI 1, OpenAI 2, 3, 4. So there are different versions are created, and you already know that ChatGPT which you are using, Google Gemini. So this is again the part of the OpenAI. Okay, so this is how the AI is introduced. But now we are talking about different applications of the generative AI in pharmacovigilance. So pharmacovigilance is nothing but it is a science and activities related to the collection, detection, assessment, and prevention of adverse drug reactions. Okay, so you are working on the different data where the adverse event are happen. So you are working as a case processing in the first part. So here the first thing is content writing is done by the generative AI. It is nothing but whenever you are working on the narrative writing or safety case processing, okay, aggregate report writing, or even literature review, where you are working on the different data sets. So here generative AI will help you in the content writing, proper content writing as per the requirements. You have to give the proper like command, and it will be integrate as per your requirement. So this is very impactful tool. Then the next application is nothing but a language translation. Like let us say if you got any case processing in the German language, French and Korean, and you want to convert it into the English, then easily by the way of generative AI it will be converted. So it will be converted by the two ways, like whether without changing the meaning or the you can say the word, then it will be converted, and otherwise AI will integrate some words according to the requirement, and then it will be created. So this is again the tool. Then the next one, summarization. So summarization, as I say earlier, the longest text is converted into the smaller text as per the requirement you can do. But again, opposite to this, the text expansion is also there. So where you are getting small text and you have to convert this into the large data sets. So it can be possible by the way of generative AI. So basically it is not a complete replacement, but it will definitely help you to bring more productivity in your work. Then the next one, text to speech and speech to text. Like if the data is in the text and you want to convert it into the audio form so that you can properly understood the content and then you can write. So for the disabled person also it will be used, and for even the employees where they need urgently to understood the content, that conversation will also helpful. Then the next one, Q&A chatbot. So basically if you have any question or any doubt, without asking anyone, chat GPT will help you here, or any like generative AI will help you. So here you are asking any kind of the question related to the case study, related to the analysis, they will give you the proper answer. So here Q&A can be possible. Sentiment analysis means they will analyze whether the text is positive or negative, what are the different, like let us say any major terms you want to identify from the any text. It will be possible by the way of sentiment analysis. Okay, so it will bold or it will highlight the major text which is available in the article or any blog. Okay, then the next one is data analysis. So data analysis, where the financial data is here, you have to work, and the different data sets are available with you, and on the basis of that you have to work on the proper, like you can say, statistics you have to predict. So it is a financial data and it will be converted into the simpler form, maybe in the table, maybe in the listing form as per the requirement. And the next one, code generation. In the code generation, you already know that meta coding is basically used here as a clinical code, and here by the integrating the code, withdrawal of the codes, or documentation related work of the coding, that can be done by the generative AI. Then the last one, vision capabilities. In vision capabilities, any information is given, okay, in the form of code, in the form of image, okay, like even if you have any images in your phone, okay, you can convert, like it scan the image and accordingly it produce the data. So according to your command, it will do it. Okay, so this is how the application of the generative AI. I hope you completely understood. There is a huge scope of the generative AI in the pharmacovigilance, and in the coming days it will definitely evolve and it will bring the more productivity in each company. But make sure that it is not hamper the employment. Of course, it will help you to make you the more productive result in the better time, and even more cases can be handled in fraction of the time. But it will not hamper the employability. It will be for your productivity, it will be for accurate result. Okay, so this is how the generative AI will work. But if you want to know more about the AI and generative AI, how it works in the pharmacovigilance, then you can join our certification course for the generative AI in pharmacovigilance, which is available in more affordable price, and as well you will get the certification. So in the follow in the description, I given the link. If you want to know more, call to this number or visit our website. So I hope you understood the content. If you like the content, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. All the best.